Right now, thousands of US homeowners are about to pay $3,600 to $6,600 for artificial grass and make the exact same mistake, comparing price per square foot instead of drainage rate, fiber type, and total weight. That one mistake turns a 20-year investment into a flattened, puddle-prone pet odor disaster inside of 3 years. Here's the truth. The number on the price tag means almost nothing without the spec sheet behind it. In this video, we're breaking down the 6 best artificial grass products of 2026, from solid entry-level performers to the one product that sets the absolute standard on every measurable spec. Stay to the end, because the difference between number 6 and number 1 will change exactly what you buy. Product links are in the description. Number 6, Oasis ORT85 UF. If you're watching your budget but refuse to settle for a lawn that looks plastic after 6 months, start your search right here. The Oasis 85 UF carries a total weight of 85 ounces per square yard, a pile height of 1.77 inches, and a 3 or 8 inch gauge with verified tuft bind strength exceeding 10 pounds. What truly separates it from the bargain options clogging up the market is its drainage performance, confirmed at over 200 inches per hour per square yard. That puts it in the same elite drainage tier as products that cost significantly more. A fact independently documented by landscape supply experts at Vertigrass in their 2026 Buyer's Guide. The fiber construction combines wave-shaped plus C polyethylene with a polypropylene thatch layer. That combination gives you a two-toned, realistic look that doesn't flatten immediately under foot traffic. UV resistance is built into the fiber, so color stability and surface temperature stay manageable even through a Texas or Arizona summer. The limitation is density. At 85 ounces, it's lighter than the products above it on this list. Multiple large dogs or a consistently high traffic commercial space will compress this turf faster over time than a denser alternative. Best for rental properties, first-time buyers, low to medium traffic residential yards. Number 5, Champ 81. This is the most underrated product on this entire list, and the one most buyers scroll past without reading the specs. The Champ 81 weighs 81 ounces total, with a deliberately engineered short pile height of just 0.6 inches and a tight 3.16 inch gauge. That short pile is the entire value proposition. Industry experts at Vertigrass specifically identify the Champ 81 as the go-to recommendation for pets that dig, scratch, or sprint constantly, because short pile height resists matting and holds structural integrity under fast-moving repeated stress that taller pile turf simply cannot survive at the same rate. The dual-layer construction uses primary polyurethane backing with a secondary polyurethane layer, a structural choice that adds real durability beyond what single-layer competitors offer. Drainage sits above 100 inches per hour per square yard, and the curly monofilament polyethylene fiber gives the surface springy, consistent resilience. It stays UV stable and relatively cool compared to denser, darker options. The honest limitation? Aesthetics. This product looks like a sports field surface, not a luxury residential lawn. If your front yard needs to impress at a glance, this is not the right choice. But if function is the priority, a pet run, a backyard training space, a high traffic path, the Champ 81 is the most practically useful product on this list at its price point. Best for pet runs, active dogs, sports training areas, commercial and playground adjacent spaces. Number 4, Oasis 100 UF. The Oasis 100 UF exists for one reason. Buyers who want the Oasis 85 UF's proven drainage performance, but with a lawn that genuinely stops people mid-stride. The defining difference is the pile height, a full 2 inches. That extra length is what creates the depth, the movement, and the natural appearance that makes a synthetic lawn look convincingly real from the street or the back patio. It sits in the long pile category alongside premium alternatives, and the added height gives the surface enough body to stay upright and wave naturally without the flatness you see in lighter or shorter pile options. Drainage performance stays at the elite tier, verified above 200 inches per hour per square yard, identical to the Viva 109 at the top of this list. Wave-shaped polyethylene fiber delivers the soft, cushioned texture that's comfortable for pets who sleep outside and kids running barefoot in summer. At 100 ounces total weight, recovery after foot traffic is strong, and the backing maintains its structural integrity in wet climates, including the Pacific Northwest and the Southeast. The trade-off is cost per square foot and installation weight. The 100-ounce construction is heavier to work with and more expensive per yard than the 85 UF. In very high traffic areas, the longer 2-inch pile will also flatten faster than the shorter pile options ranked below it. Best for bowlers, front yards, family entertaining spaces, luxury residential lawns, rain-prone regions. Number 3, EcoTurf Plus, This is where the list shifts from aesthetics and drainage into a category that most buyers don't think about until it's too late: certified safety performance under real use conditions. The EcoTurf Plus meets ASTM F1951 for accessibility and exceeds ASTM F2192 for impact attenuation. The same standards applied to playground surfaces designed to protect children during falls. That is not marketing language. Those are independently verified certifications against published safety benchmarks. If you have young children using this space daily, this is the only product on this list with that level of third-party structural verification. The standout technical advantage for 2026 buyers is the EcoTurf Plus's compatibility with HydroChill evaporative cooling infill technology, developed in partnership with Shawgrass. Thermocouple testing published by EcoTurf Surfacing shows HydroChill-equipped turf surfaces running up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit cooler compared to standard synthetic turf in direct sunlight. For buyers in Florida, Arizona, Texas, and the Carolinas, where midsummer surface temperatures on standard turf become genuinely dangerous for bare feet and pets, that 50-degree difference is a health consideration, not a comfort preference. The HydroChill system also carries BX Shield antimicrobial protection, tested to inhibit bacteria growth, mold, and mildew, while actively reducing odors. That matters for pet households and high-use playground spaces where sanitation is a real ongoing concern. The price point reflects what this product is: a certified high-performance surface built for demanding use. It is not positioned as a budget product and shouldn't be evaluated like one. Best for families with young children, pet owners in hot climate states, buyers who require certified safety specifications. Number 2, Ingriturf Premium Turf. Ingriturf has built its reputation as one of the country's most trusted wholesale-grade artificial grass suppliers, serving both professional contractors and homeowners directly. And the Premium Turf line is the product that reflects exactly why that reputation holds. The structural specs put this product firmly in the professional tier. Ingriturf's Premium Turf uses high-density polyethylene fiber construction with mini-M engineered blade shapes, a specific blade geometry that produces lower surface sheen, which is what makes the finished lawn read as natural rather than plastic under direct sunlight. The backing system is built to the same structural standards used for commercial and contractor installations, with a tough bind and drainage architecture that does not compromise under the kind of sustained foot traffic that budget-grade products begin failing at within 18 to 24 months. Ingriturf backs their premium artificial grass products with an industry-leading 15-year warranty, one of the longest in the U.S. market, as documented in Ingriturf's own turf warranty comparison guide. That 15-year coverage spans material defects, workmanship issues, and UV degradation, which means the company is explicitly on the hook if color stability or structural integrity fails before that timeline. For U.S. buyers specifically, Ingriturf ships nationwide, which removes one of the biggest practical friction points in the artificial grass buying process: finding a supplier that can actually get premium product to your door regardless of your state or region. The 10-year ownership math makes the case cleanly. Artificial grass eliminates $2,000 to $5,000 in water bills. Over a decade, cuts $200 to $500 per year in mowing and maintenance, and removes irrigation system repair costs entirely. Against that calculation, the premium construction cost becomes considerably easier to justify. Best for long-term residential investments, homeowners upgrading from failed budget turf, buyers wanting contractor-grade construction. Number 1, Viva 112 The Viva 112 leads this list because when you line up every spec that actually determines real-world performance, nothing on this list touches it across the board. Total weight: 111 ounces per square yard, the highest density on this entire list by a significant margin. Pile height: 1.77 inches, the same medium pile height category that experts at Vertigrass and California Turf Co. consistently identify as the ideal balance between natural appearance and long-term resilience. Drainage: verified, above 200 inches per hour per square yard, matching the elite tier performers on this list, but backed by the heaviest, most structurally dense construction available in 2026. Tuft bind strength, above 10 pounds. UV resistance, built into the fiber at the manufacturing stage for long-term color and surface temperature stability. The wave-shaped polyethylene fiber gives the Viva 111 UF a texture that landscape supply professionals describe as closer to real grass than any competing product in the mid-pile category. Multiple independent sources, including Vertigrass's 2026 Residential Lawn Guide, the California Turf Commer's Pet Grass Evaluation, and buyer's guides from the Mighty Grass 2026 Expert Database, consistently place the Viva 111 UF at the top of the premium residential category for exactly these reasons. Here's the number that closes the argument: Switching to artificial grass cuts water usage by 55 to 75% annually, according to data from Artificial Turf Supply. That translates to real-world savings of $200 to $300 per year on water alone, up to $600 per year when you factor in eliminated mowing, fertilizing, pest control, and irrigation system maintenance, according to U.S. Turf's published cost comparison data. Over a 15-year lifespan, verified by Custom Turf's 10-year cost analysis, that is $10,000 to $19,500 in cumulative savings on a product that, when built to the Viva 111 UF's density and construction standard, does not need to be replaced or patched within that window. This is the only product on this list where every single spec, drainage, density, pile height, fiber type, UV resistance, and tuft bind performs at the top tier simultaneously. Best for premium residential lawns, pet households, families, anyone who wants to buy once and walk away for 15 to 20 years. Before you spend $1, write down 3 numbers: drainage rate, total weight, and pile height. Those 3 specs in that order will narrow your choice from 6 products to 1, the right one for your yard, your climate, and your life. Every product on this list was chosen because it delivers honest, measurable value for real U.S. buyers in 2026. Drop your yard size, your state, and whether you have pets in the comments will help you pick the right one. If this video saved you from a bad purchase, subscribe. A new buying guide drops every week.